Here we go, Brandon. Doing a couple boxes of Contenders, 1 and 7. Well, let's go numerical order, 1 and 7. Alrighty, starting off with an auto right out of the gate. I want to say he was a short print. Eli Apple. It might have been Perk who was a short print, or maybe both of them were. Eli Apple rookie ticket autograph. Drew Brees for the Saints. This guy everywhere. DeAndre Washington Sepia rookie ticket autograph. DeAndre Washington Sepia RPA or RTA. And then Charlie Alto looking a little bit. I'm sure there's a comp on that. Noah Spence horizontal rookie ticket auto. Bucks. Jerome Bettis. Charlie, I think it would go quick at the right price for sure. Derrick Henry for the Titans. Tavon Young. I don't know if we've seen him. A rookie ticket autograph for Baltimore. Corey Coleman and Josh Dotson insert. Osweiler to 249 playoff ticket for the Texans. Number to 99, Jordan Howard and Paul Perkins. Insert. Another daddy. For the Chiefs, rookie ticket. Rookie ticket variation autograph, Adam Thielen. The Vike. How many? Holy crap. 1, 2, 3. That's 6 autos right there. Jordan Payton and Rashard Higgins. Your gridiron is Derrick Henry. And Carson Wentz, Rookie of the Year Contenders. Insert. Matt Stafford, MVP Contenders. Kenneth Dixon. Dalton and Green. And Warren Moon on box 1. 6 autographs, a couple different variations, sepia and a photo variation. All right, box 7. Here we go. Well, there's the first insert auto we've had. Tajay Sharp, Rookie of the Year Contenders auto. J.J. Watt. Kenyon Drake, rookie ticket autograph. Dolphins. Dolphins hot box. Xavier Howard, championship ticket to 99. Another Dolphin. And another box where, man, you're getting your autos quick. There's 3 of them already. Ozzie Newsome insert. Paul Perkins, Rookie of the Year Contenders. Daniel Lasco, rookie ticket auto for the Saints. Cooper and Mitchell. Blaine Gabbert to 249. Playoff ticket. To 99, Corey Coleman, Rookie of the Year Contenders. Jordan Payton, rookie ticket auto. The Browns. That's 5 autos. Here's some points, 250 points. So 6 autos. Connor Cook and Dak Prescott insert. Your gridiron is Dak Prescott. Nice. For a bonus, that's pretty good. Braxton Miller. Big Ben insert. Jerry Goff. Romo and Dez. Running on an insert run here. We got all those autos right out of the gate. Base. And Roger Staubach. Legendary to finish it off. Brandon, there you have it, brother.